Yo, what's up guys? I hope everyone of you are okay, staying safe, staying at home, going work, coming back and having a nice day with your family and reducing the spread of COVID-19. So for today's video, I would like to tell you all how to wear mask properly. I know some of you all don't even wear mask. I've been out so many times and I see not many people are wearing mask. Only few out of 100, 15. Out of 15, one they are wearing mask, and those who are wearing mask, they are not wearing properly. This is saddening. So I'm going to tell you how to wear a mask properly and why you need to wear mask. Please guys, wear a mask. Okay, so let's get straight to the video and get your mask and watch with me and do it with me, learn it with me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's learn how to do a mask properly. Wear a mask, what I mean. Okay, the first step, always wash your hands with soap and water, of course. Basuh tangan dengan sabun dan air. Okay, then wear your hand sanitizer. Pakaikan sanitizer. Apply, don't pakai, apply. Put it like this. Rub. Oh, nice feeling, right? Nice feeling. Sedap kan? Bau pun sedap. The smell is very good. Okay, next, pakai gloves. I know no one wears gloves this time. Wear your gloves because we don't know what are we touching. Safety first. People might think you all are a clown, a joker, a weird people, but don't care. You wear gloves for your own safety, not for other people's safety. Orang akan cakap, ni siapa? Apa joker? Pakai gloves, kenapa? Jangan kisah. Pakai gloves saja, orang akan cakap benda-benda. So, jangan fikirkan kesihatan kamu dan diri kamu, okay? So, after wearing your gloves, you look like magician. Okay. You akan jadi macam magic. So the next step is take your mask, ambil mask kamu and inspect if got any holes. Check kalau ada lubang-lubang atau pecah-pecah sana sini. Okay, check it properly with me. Check. Is your mask having any holes? Mask kamu lubang ke? Ada lubang ke sana? Got? Or any tear or anywhere? Mine clean, no problem. So if your mask have any holes, kalau mask kamu ada lubang, ambil mask, buang, ambil mask baru. Jangan, for those who have hole in the mask, okay? Mine clear, so don't worry. Okay, the next step is, can you see we have two parts of the mask with white. Okay, see the hardened one, yang keras. We have one hard and one nothing. So take the hardest part. The hardest part always must be on top, not down, up. Yang keras, yang part keras mesti berada di atas, bukan bawah. Okay, remember that. Most of them do like this. Most of them confused. Which one is up, which one is down? So yang hard one, but some of the masks have silver. You think, what you have seen some of the masks, they have something silver here, right? So the silver one is on top. Okay, remember that. Silver one is on top. Yang silver punya atas atau keras. Okay, so for the next step is take the hard one that I told just now, but you're on top of the nose, and the mask, we have two parts of mask, one dark and one light. Kalau you tengok dekat mask, ada yang putih-putih, ada yang biru gelap. Yang biru gelap dekat dua. The darker color is always outside. Okay, and before you wear your mask, I would like to tell, this is your chin, this is your nose, this is your mouth. Ini chin, I'm not sure in Malay, but you can Google chin, translate dalam BM. Okay, mungkin I'm not sure. Then ini mulut, ini hidung. Okay, remember that. So your mask, the darker one outside, the silver, the hard part on top. Remember that. Don't forget. See, the darker one, the hard part come on top your nose, and lock it, and see, must not be like this. The lower part must cover your chin, tutup chin, bulat. Then this one, see, the space. So control. Atas bawah. See, must be like this. Full set. Chin tutup, hidung tutup. Chin is closed, nose is closed. Okay. If no, COVID will come to you. Okay. Ingat. And then dekat tepi, look at the side. Your ears and your string must not be loose. If your side, your string is loose, cut it and throw it away. Okay. If no, leave it like this. See, it's tight and no gaps between my ears and the string. Okay. See, no. And then the next step is, I know some of you like to adjust in public. Why do you want to adjust it? I know, because you are not wearing correctly. If you wear like this, you will never need to adjust. Ya, tak payah adjust kalau you pakai macam ni. Ada orang pakai macam ni, terpaksa adjust. Guna tangan pun kotor, your hand is already dirty. Why you want to adjust like that? So just wear like this. All move, takkan gerak. And then don't touching. Jangan touch. Then don't bring down. I know some of you like to bring down. If you bring down, you see inside sudah kotor, decontaminated. So you touch your chin. Then what to do? Kena basuh. Double work. So don't. Cover it properly. Macam ini. And no touching. Remember, nose part, jangan tutup macam ni. I know some of you like to close like this. Because why? Little, I can't breathe. Of course, like you cannot breathe. But mask is a mask. That's why we have two holes here. Boleh nafas. So wear properly, like this. Cover. Chin, mouth, nose, hidung, mulut, chin. Okay. And leave it like this. Don't mess up. And when you want to take out the mask, take out the two sideways. Take out, fold it, and throw it. Okay. If you want to wash it, also wash. But don't touch the inner part. Jangan sentuh part dalam. If you touch it, contaminated, sudah dikotorkan from your mouth area. And throw it. Final step, take away your hand gloves if you wear hand gloves, or if you didn't wear hand gloves, don't worry. For just more safety, wear your hand gloves. Then go back to step 1. Wash your hand. Apply hand sanitizer. Apply. Whoa, smelly. And that's all. Magic done. You became a magician after watching me. How to handle mask. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and watch my previous video. The links are down below or up here somewhere. Will come. I'm not sure. And I'll be posting 3 more videos in the coming days until next week Friday. So 1 video on Monday, 1 video on Wednesday, 1 video on next week Friday. Okay. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. The links are down below, and share this video to everyone. Okay, share. It's fine. Peace out and have a nice day. Bye bye.